Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today I'm here to introduce you TOMLOV digital microscope. Guys, if you are going to open a mobile repairing business or an electronics repairing business, or you're doing repairing as a hobby, you are going to love this product. Don't spend too much on microscopes, guys. You will love this product. The best thing, this microscope comes with a 7-inch screen, so you don't need to connect your microscope to any computer or any monitor screen or anything. So guys, so here's the power on button. I can turn it on for you. So this, it's a rechargeable microscope, so you can charge it and use it, or leave the wire connected to it. It comes with a USB cable. So here's a 5-volt USB cable. So, and you have to connect here with the screen, and a keypad to record or take snaps. Guys, it comes with a 32 GB memory card to save your photos and videos. See guys, so guys, I can show you that you hardly read this thing, guys. So but if you will do with this microscope, you can easily read. See this, guys. So this is the beauty of this device, guys. See guys, so you can easily read. And if I will show you the circuit, you can easily read. And see, it's very hard to read here. And if I show you the other circuit, so here's I have the RAM. See guys, see the beauty of the microscope, guys. Thanks guys. So if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.